kasi yun. Kaya sinabi ko sa kanila, you rehearse it. You know, like when they rehearse, they don't rehearse the ad-libs and what they want to do with the lines, what they want to do with the song. Minsan binabago nila, and they don't rehearse it. Siguro they rehearse it on their own. But it's different when you're actually singing it. So sabi ko, you have to rehearse it so that you know kung bagay siya. Sabi ko, pag hindi nga nila-rehearse, hindi mo madidinig kung tama yung ginagawa mo. They don't rehearse it. Kumbaga, pag nagre-rehearse sila dyan, hindi nila papadinig yung mga panggulat nila kasi pambongga nila yun, o pangbongga nila yun. Parang, no, that's why you have rehearsals. You rehearse it. Sabi ko, for you to be able to master one song, for the song to become like a second nature to you, you have to be able to sing it at least 50 times.
Eh kasi you need
50 times. Yes.
You need to sing it 50 times.
Na kakantahin mo talaga ha.
Ganon.
Na hindi yung ganon. Hindi, you really have, it's called muscle memory. How will your muscle memorize it if you don't sing it? Like actually sing it. There's a way naman of not forcing it, diba? There's a way of belting out na hindi mo naman i-force it. And you don't have to like sing it 50 times a day. Hindi naman ganun eh. But every time there's an opportunity for you to rehearse, you sing it the way you should sing it. Sabi ko, I was telling them, that's what we do. We rehearse every single thing. Kung meron kang madidinig sa concert na biglang may sumulpot na ganun, hindi yung sumulpot basta-basta, ni-rehearse na namin yun sa bahay. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo ni-rehearse kasi paano malalaman ng brain mo saan huhugutin yung nota na yun. That's why most of them make a mistake. Hindi sila mag-a-adlib sila, hindi sila nakapatong sa chords. Or minsan they overshoot the note, nagsha-sharp. Tapos yung iba talagang kung saan-saan na napupunta yung nota, di ba? So, minsan hindi na bagay. Kasi hindi nila nire-rehearse. So, sinabi ko sa kanila, you have to rehearse it. Every single thing that you will do on stage, you rehearse.
Malalaman daw kasi ng kalaban.
Ha?
Malalaman
It doesn't matter. That's why I also said,
malalaman ng
obviously,
meron kasi sinabi na huwag mo i-outsing yung mga kalaban.
Because it's a singing contest. I understand that you have to like really sing. Kasi sila, the judges, they already know na lahat magaling. Ano yung magiging edge mo? Ang edge mo,
magiging kakaiba?
Kakaiba sa'yo. Ano yung magiging edge mo? For me, kung isa ako sa judges, yung kumanta ka na parang plaka. Kasi mahirap yun. Yung parang ka nagli-lip-sync. And for you to be able to do that, like I said, it has to be muscle memory na tumbok mo lahat ng nota.
Just sa 32 ngayon, may nakita na kayo na, ay,
Madami naman. Madami.
pero wala pang meron talaga.